Happy New Year's! This is the year where we're going to have to change things. We have molested the earth, we have molested the elements, and this has to change. There's a very specific message from Mother Earth. She's exhausted. She cannot regenerate herself. So we're going to have to train millions and millions of young people in restoration. We have to restore Mother Earth. We have to restore the elements. The elements, air, water, fire, earth, have been supporting humanity since the beginning of time. And if we think we can get away with killing the elements and still survive, we got something coming. We're going to have to restore the elements. We're going to have to restore Mother Earth. And it's going to be up to the young people that will be trained to do this. But to me, that is the only chance we have to survive. Restore the earth and restore the elements. Let the birth of the new year be the new birth of our consciousness, bringing in the new year of Dharma Drum Mountain. 108 for all, prayers for the world.